we're back to learning Photoshop in year day 147. Let us yet again talk about the Liquify filter, and we'll go over other features that I think are important for beginners. So we've talked about the forward warp tool and how to adjust it right here via the properties. And then we've got more tools. We've already talked about the face tool. For beginners, I would say that you should also check these ones out. There's the twirl tool. It's fairly easy to use. Just activate it, go to the area that you want to twirl, and then left click and hold. Then you have a pucker tool, which is going to suck everything in. Same principle, go to an area, left click and hold to intensify the effect. Then there's a blow tool, which expands it. There's a push left tool, which is more like a magnet, you could say, a bit more extreme than the forward warp tool. So always take care of your edges. The freeze mask tool, this can be used to select an area that you don't want to have affected. So let us take care of the house here. Now I use twirl tool and the forward warp tool right here in this area. And it affects everything, but not what's inside of this reddish mask that we've created with the freeze tool. You can unmask it with the next tool, which is the thaw mask tool. So you can delete these areas again. And then we've already talked about the face tool. We also have a hand tool for moving around and a zoom tool. So these are just minor tools for adjusting the view. And I think that these are the important basics for beginners. Most important, as I've said in the beginning, are the forward warp tool and the face tool. And I've made specific tutorials about that. If you haven't seen them, check out my Photoshop playlist. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.